Welcome to my Cheers Consult, and this is Grace. Today, we're going to talk about how to add and subtract on like fraction using the CRISS CROSS method. Now, most of us are used to the LCM method and everything. Now, there's a new method called the CRISS CROSS method. And how do we solve it? The first step in solving the CRISS CROSS method is to, number one, multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. Then step 2, multiply the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. And the final step, multiply the denominators of both fractions together to get like fractions, and then you solve. Number 4, then add or subtract to get your final answer. And let's apply this method in solving. Now, example 1. Example 1, we have 1/3 plus 2/5. Now let's follow the step. The first step is multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. So we have 5 into bracket 1/3 plus 3 into bracket 2/5. So this is that we have multiplied the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and we have also done the same thing with the other fraction. And the next thing you do, you have to open brackets. That is 5 times 1 is 5, over 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 times 2 is 6, over 3 times 5 is 15. So that at the end, we'll be having like fraction. So our answer will now be, since you're having the same denominator, we just pick one denominator. And our answer is 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So this is our final answer. Instead of looking for the LCM method, this one is also an easy way to solve fractions. Then number 2, we have 28/8 minus 5/2. The same thing we do. We'll be having 2 into bracket 28/8 minus 8 into bracket 5/2. So you open bracket. 2 times 28 is 56, over 2 times 8 is 16, minus 8 times 5 is 40, over 8 times 2 is 16. So at the end, we're also having like fraction. Now once we take away 40, we're having 16/16, which is equals to one whole number.